No stairs, no compromise. Single level, luxury done right. In the heart of Marin Country Club Estates, where a true one level home is a rare find. Smooth walls, hickory floors, wall to wall, cathedral ceiling in the dining area, softening to a quiet glow in the family room, a chef's kitchen built for real life, Wolf, Sub-Zero, Miele, quartz and Calcutta marble to the ceiling, a private wing, the primary suite, heated floors, a spa bath, 2 walk-in closets, every comfort. And then the backyard, a Baja-ledge pool, a full outdoor kitchen, fireplace, olive trees, grapevines, a pergola for every season. Single level living resort style, wrapped in Ignacio Valley sun. A bespoke, single level home on Fairway Drive, available privately. I'm Kyle Frazier with Imagine Marin. Contact me for a private showing.